honor former Icelandic President Vigdís Finnbogadóttur on the occasion of her 90th birthday on April 15th, 2020, and to mark the 40th anniversary of her historic election as the first female democratically elected head of state, the Icelandic government, the University of Iceland, and the Vigdís Finnbogadóttur Institute decided to establish an international award in her name. The prize is to be presented annually to an individual who has pursued new and original cultural and especially linguistic paths in his or her work. The prize is now awarded for the second time. In making the award, we acknowledge and celebrate Vigdís's exemplary contribution to the world of language and culture. As is well known, these issues have always been of key significance to the former president. Appointed Goodwill Ambassador for Languages by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, Vigdís focused attention on strengthening small language communities, not least to safeguard the human cultural heritage which linguistic diversity preserves.
It is with great pleasure for me to announce that the recipient of this year's Vigdís International Prize is the Greenlandic linguist, poet and language activist Katti Frederiksen, former Executive Secretary of the Okkasilrifk, the Language Secretariat of Greenland, and now Greenland's Minister of Education and Culture. She receives the award in recognition of her remarkable achievement in drawing the attention to the Greenlandic language issues both domestically and internationally. Through her poetry, scholarly writings, children's literature, and participation in public debate, she has been tireless in highlighting the importance of the Greenlandic language for the Greenlandic society and how important it is to promote growth and development of the language for the use in all areas of human life and society. Katti Frederiksen has also emphasized the importance of learning other languages. She has achieved so much in so many areas. Katti Frederiksen completed her master's degree in Greenlandic Literature and Media Studies from the University of Greenland in Nuuk in 2011, pursuing part of her study program at the University of Alaska in Fairbanks. She has been a member of Greenland Language Council and worked for many years at the Language Secretariat of Greenland, first as head of section in 2008 to 2015, and then later as executive secretary 2015 to 2020. In 2020, she became the Minister of Education and Culture of Greenland. Together with her colleagues at the Language Secretariat, she has made a major contribution to projects aimed at strengthening and developing the Greenland language to equip to meet the key challenges of using and participating in digital solutions. Finally, Katti Frederiksen has addressed how crucial it is for children and the youth to become fluent at speaking and writing Greenlandic, to strengthen their self-image, their awareness, and their own culture and belief in the future. Native language ability is, when it comes down to it, at the core of the studies. Katti Frederiksen has made a significant contribution to the language of Greenland, thereby contributing to the worldwide linguistic diversity, a cornerstone of human cultural heritage.
Soonam tulluusimaarnaqaa tuppallernaqaa attortinnangitsuungilaq kisian qoyamasuppunga sulinitigisartakkak maannamut maliliniarneqarsimammata pingaartimik nunutta avataani taan uannut assu nukimmitunisilu kaimissiseralu suleqqinnissallu minneriternat tassam soorunami una einersornaat mik ataqqinartim taam tuninaqarneq immikkuullarissuuq aamqaqutigoortuuvoq nutaajullunilu suuliniitigut taakku qanapingaartiginerine ersersitsiinarput ua qangaanil oqaatinik atuakkiilerinermalli sammisaqartarninni suuliniiteqartarninni lumassakkilu amsiunissami pilersaarisiernanni uppernarsеққитуллу соо иппаақанертаакку пингааритеқартигинерс